Hello, welcome. Question 13. Let's see how we can provide answer to this. A chord of length 6 cm is drawn from a circle of radius 5 cm. We have to find the perpendicular distance of the chord from the center of the circle. So let's make a sketch of that circle. Remember, this is a chord. Then the length of the chord is given to us. Then you also have the center and radius. So this is the radius. So that is this radius. We are looking for a perpendicular distance from the center. Remember, any line that is perpendicular to a chord, divide the chord into two equal parts. So if the length is 6 cm, it means here become 3 cm, here is what? 5 cm. I am looking for the length what? D. Without even calculating, if you know your Pythagorean triplet, you can tell that if here is 3, 5, here will be 4. But let's still calculate and see if you can get 4. By Pythagorean theorem, the longest side is 5 square equals to d square plus what? 3 square. Let's have the 5 square as 25. We subtract the 3 square as 9 equals to d square. I believe if you take away 9 from here, you should be having 16 equals what? D square. I can solve it as an indices by having this as 4 square equals to d square, making d being 4, 2 being 2. So I can pick this. Or I find the square root of 16, which will give me both negative 4 and a positive 4. Because I am dealing with measurement, I will ignore the negative and pick what? The positive. So the answer we are going for in this question is going to be the option B. I guess this is clear. Like, share, comment, and come back for question number 14.